Closing arguments in the World Junior Hockey sex assault trial are now over. Michael McLeod, Alex Formanton, Carter Hart, Dylan Dubé, and Cal Foote are all charged with sexually assaulting a woman known as EM in a London, Ontario hotel room in June of 2018. They've all pleaded not guilty. The 5 defense teams argued that EM wasn't a credible witness and her testimony shouldn't be believed. McLeod's lawyer said EM was a willing participant in the sex acts that night. Hart's lawyer argued EM was sexually aggressive and assertive. Formanton's lawyer accused her of lying repeatedly. Dubé's lawyer floated the idea of a mistaken belief EM consented, common defense in sexual assault trials. Foote's lawyer tried to undermine the credibility of another player, Brett Howden, who told investigators Foote called him and asked him not to talk about what he allegedly did in the room that night. The defense also furnished Justice Maria Caracia with a 30-page aide-memoire, a document that it argued referenced EM's reliability and credibility issues. The Crown outright rejected the counter-narrative that it was EM who sought sexual activity from the men that night. It argued EM was a credible and reliable witness whose evidence was not shaken in any material way, despite 7 days of rigorous cross-examination by 5 highly skilled defense lawyers. She was clear and consistent about her lack of consent to the sexual activity. The Crown also poked at the credibility of the one accused who testified, Carter Hart, saying his evidence was contrived, his memory gaps were convenient. And the Crown also argued McLeod lied to police about his involvement in inviting people to his room, failing to mention he sent the team these texts inviting them to room 209 for a 3-way. It's now up to Justice Caracia to weigh all of the evidence, including testimony from people who had been drinking, people who were struggling to recall what happened that night 7 years ago, and to pick through 2 very distinctly different narratives of what happened that night. Her decision is expected on July 24th.